Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am an independent brand ambassador for Tula 12 and I just want to show off a couple of the Valentine items that we have to offer. One of them is this cute little washi tape. It's got teeny itty bitty black hearts on a pink background. Super cute. It's a slimline washi and that is available now. Also available this month in January only is our Spend and Get. The Spend and Get is a miniature Valentine deco set that you can get when you spend $35. You can get it for only $3.95. And this is the packaging for it. Just so you know, I'm thrifty, so if I make cards with this, I would cut this little guy out and use him on a card too, and maybe cut out the Valentine because I don't like to waste. So I would probably use that. Also in the card kit, there are 2 sheets of cardstock ready to fold and make your card. There are also 2 envelopes ready for your card making. And I like to slip a little washi on the side of the envelope too. So there's that. Now there are 4 double-sided sheets of paper here. And this is the side on the back. These are the prints on the front. Now, this is enough to make way more than 2 cards. It's enough to decorate a monthly layout in your planner, possibly a weekly layout too, and make 2 cards. Or it's enough to easily make 4 cards, probably more. So that is the paper that comes in it. Also, it comes with this cute little journaling card that says the greatest gift you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. How sweet is that? And it also comes with a couple little heavy chipboard pieces. The cute little hedgehog. That cute little panda bear. Where's my panda lovers at? That's so cute. And this sweet little bear holding a, looks like a little heart note. How cute are those? And then it also comes with 1 pink little bow to use for embellishments. And this sweet miniature sticker kit with the little hedgehog, the 3 little panda bears, and the little bear. Super, super cute. That is the Spend and Get for January. You have until 11:59 p.m. I believe on January 31st to spend $35 and get this for only $3.95. Also, if it sells out before then, it'll be gone. So don't hesitate to get that ordered. And I'll be right back to show you the card kit for Valentine's Day. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is Crafting with Kathy Lee, and I am Kathy Lee. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.